To fix a Kenmore Elite front-load washer that's not draining, start by inspecting the drain pump for any obstructions, such as small debris or articles of clothing, that may be blocking it and preventing proper drainage. If cleaning the drain pump doesn't resolve the issue and it's still noisy when draining water, professional assistance will be needed to replace it. Another possible cause is a faulty control board, which may not be supplying power to the drain pump during the drain cycle, resulting in the washer not draining water successfully. In this case, seek professional help to check for burned wiring or a shorted component and replace the control board accordingly. Additionally, the drain hose should be checked to see if it's kinked, and if so, straighten it out. It should also be inspected for clogs caused by lint or small cloth particles. And if necessary, use a thin, long-handled brush to unclog it. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Kenmore Elite front-load washer, and get it draining properly again.